Hi, today at Garfin's Creation we'll be making these sausage bites. This recipe is similar to corn dogs, but today we won't be using cornmeal. We will be using some readily available ingredients at home. So you can add these to your party starters along with some dips. You'll find the entire recipe in the description box below. So let's begin. For this recipe you can take any sausages or Frankfurters too. You will need 6 to 7 long sausages or Frankfurters and will be cutting them into smaller bite size. You can also use the easily available smaller sausage size too. So in that case you can use the whole piece and there's no need of cutting it into smaller pieces. After cutting them into smaller pieces, I'll be using some toothpicks. So I'll just insert the toothpicks inside the sausage. Only make sure that it does not come out through from the other side. So we need to prepare all these in the same way and keep it ready till we go to the next step. So now these are all ready and now let's prepare the dipping batter. For that, into a large bowl I'll be adding half a cup of curds. This dahi or curds is not too very chilled. And half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We can also use fresh garlic paste, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now just mix all the ingredients well. And to this I'll be adding some water. I'll just add about 1/4 cup of water into this and mix it again. I'll just whisk it well so that there are no lumps in it. Into this I'll be using 1 cup of Maida. I'll be adding it little at a time. I have sieved the Maida. This dipping batter is going to give a nice coating to the sausage when they are fried. You can always change the flavor of this and customize as per your liking. You can add more garlic powder. You can skip the onion powder too, or add any other spices that you prefer. I'll be adding another 1/4 cup of water and mixing it into a smooth paste. We need to make this into a lump-free batter. Mix it really well. The water quantity can be either more or less than half cup depending on the maida used. Now once this is mixed well, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Basically this is like a bread recipe without any yeast, so you can adjust the spices according to the sausage that you have used. After adding the baking powder and baking soda, I'll just mix it well again. Batter starts getting lighter. You can check the consistency. It is not too watery or not too thick. To know if it is right, just dip a piece of the sausage into the batter and it should coat it well and it should remain there. So this is fine. There's no need of waiting and resting the batter. We need to fry them immediately. To fry the sausage bites, I have heated a pan and then added sufficient oil in it and heated that as well. Once the oil is hot, just dip the sausage along with a toothpick into the batter and just swirl it around. And then just drop it into the hot oil. As you can see, just dip it into the batter. It should coat well. Avoid getting any pointed tips. So just swirl it and drop it into the oil. So we can continue frying this in smaller batches. We will fry this till it gets a nice golden brown from all sides. And you need to adjust the flame from medium to low. As these gets fried easily, you need to maintain the temperature of the oil. So just use it between medium to low flame. Keep turning them around so that it gets cooked and get a nice brown color from other sides as well. And the sausage too gets cooked from inside. This will take 2 to 3 minutes to get cooked and you can see that it starts rising a bit. It forms like a bread layer around the sausage and rises a bit. So once they get a nice golden brown, take them out of the oil and place them on some kitchen tissue paper. So now I'll continue frying the rest of it in the same way. If you have some excess batter left, you can just drop the batter into the oil without the sausage. That too tastes really good. For vegetarians, you can substitute the sausage for some paneer too. So these are all fried and they are ready to be served hot with any of your favorite dips. It tastes great with some of the spicy dips too. I had a little batter left, so I made some without the sausages as well. You can check the bread-like texture from inside. So you can also make plain garlic bites like this as well. I hope you all like this video and thanks for watching. And I'll see you soon in the next video too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.